All right, being that I have that, a lot of keyboards, but the unifying receiver, the white K360 that I'm still working on, where if I, for some reason, jumper the LED leads works okay. But uh, I'm not sure if it looks like there's still a draw coming off the battery, powered off and on. So there's still something wrong there I need to work on. Not sure if there's a resistor or capacitor somewhere in that network or what's bad. But it looks like the switch is good from what I can see. Anyways, that keyboard didn't come with the unifying receiver. So I purchased, well, I happen to already have another keyboard that didn't have a unifying receiver USB dongle. So I found this M310 with, and I decided to paint it, so that'll be the one that'll go with um, that keyboard there that I need to work on still. Well, randomly I decided, okay, so I need another. Well, I had an opportunity, I should say, for $4 to pick up at the thrift shop this M325, which has a USB unifying dongle, so receiver, transceiver. So I bought it, $4. I'm like, cool, good deal. Well, randomly, I go to another Goodwill, and I find this. I'm like, wow, I've never seen one of these. This is a solar K750, and I'd flip on, and I'd get a little green light for a second, and it didn't turn into the frowning, so I assumed it was working. I figured, well, it's probably not. I'll get it. It was a 40% off sale, so it's something probably like $2.50 or something. I think it's $3.99 marked. Well, I get back and I find that what's up online. There's quite a few videos online, so check it out. But I found this iFixit, and this iFixit goes through. And actually, I was looking on Amazon for the ML2032 battery. I found in the comments, the questions actually, people noting they've been using the CR2032 as is. And I see where this iFixit notes either to put black tape, electrical tape over the solar panels, or go in and it'll show you how to disassemble the keyboard and actually, I think it's desolder or cutting the solar panel leads. So I'll just kind of scroll through this. But it shows how to remove the battery tray. So you can take that battery out. I peeled away the sticker just to verify, some XL ML2032. Wound up ordering one on eBay, and seller had thousands plus sales for them. So figured I'd get one, and everything's exactly the same. I'm not bothering with this step since I'm going to go with the ML2032. However, I'll just go ahead and document this iFixit while I'm at it in video format and upload it to the YouTube channel. But there you go. Pretty simple. We'll see. Maybe I'll do an update video to verify this is working. Otherwise, another one of those, don't throw it away. You can save it. Still perfectly good, perfectly usable. And even with the solar panels, you can replace those ML2032 batteries. Also, if you just want to use the CR2032 batteries, there is a way. Super simple black tape or tape over that, or open it up as shown on the iFixit, where you can disable the solar panels. All right, be safe, stay healthy until next time. Learn something new and save, save, save.